What if I told you there are a few things that kill your search for the right credit union every time? Number one, you find one with great rates, but it's locked in to one state. It's geo-restricted. You don't live there. So you're done before you start, right? Number two, you find one that's open to anyone, but they hit you with a hard inquiry the second that you apply. You take a 10-point credit score hit just to find out that you're denied anyway. All right, number three, even when you do get approved, the limit is a joke. 5,000, maybe 10. You need $100,000 to really make a difference, and they want to give you a glorified gift card. All right, today, guys, I'm showing you the loophole that solves all three. One credit union, 6 figures of combined credit, 680 minimum score. Anyone in the United States can qualify, and I know you've been waiting for this. The credit union is Patelco Credit Union. They're based in North California. They got $10 billion in assets, 500,000 members nationwide, and here's the loophole most YouTubers don't even talk about. You don't have to live in California to join. You can join through the Financial Fitness Association, or the FFA. Patelco pays your first year of the FFA membership for you, so you walk through the door absolutely free. All right, and later in this video, I'm gonna tell you the exact $100,000 stack that you can use with a credit card, personal loan, line of credit, auto, and a HELOC if you're a homeowner. All right, that gets a 680 score, 6 figures of combined credit. Look, guys, I need you to stick around for this. This is the part that nobody else is breaking down. So let's start with the credit cards. Patelco runs 3 on the personal side. All right, card number 1, the Patelco Reward Points Visa card. This is their flagship. You earn unlimited points on every purchase. You redeem for cashback, travel, and gift cards. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. And guess what? Credit limits go up to $50,000 for qualified members. All right, let's move on to card number 2, the Patelco Cash Rewards Visa card. Now, this is their lower tier card. You earn flat rate cash back. You get a lower starting limit, but it's easier to qualify if you're under 700 FICO score. All right, card number 3 is the Patelco Secure card. This is for people who are trying to rebuild their credit. Your deposit secures your limit, which is $300 to $5,000. So if you got below a 680, this is the card you want to get. You want to pay on time for 6 months until you graduate to an unsecured card. And that's how 620 FICO scores become 700 FICOs. But look, I need you to stop for a second. If you didn't know a credit union that could hit $50,000 starting limit on a single card, I need you to comment Patelco below. I'm reading every comment, and I'm going to feature some of the approval stories on my next week's live. Now, this is where Patelco separates from every other credit union you've seen on this channel, the personal loan side. All right, they have a signature personal loan. It's unsecured, no collateral, and the limits go up to $100,000 for qualified members. Not $50,000, not $25,000. We're talking $100,000 in an unsecured personal loan from a credit union that you join absolutely free. And here's the part that protects your credit before you even find out if you qualify. Patelco offers a soft pull pre-qualification on the personal side. So you check the offer first, you see the number, you see the rate. The hard inquiry doesn't happen until you accept the loan. So if you don't like the offer, your credit score doesn't have to move. You don't lose any points. But think about this, guys. You could use it for debt consolidation, use it for business capital startup. All right, you can use it for a down payment on a house or rental property. No origination fees, no prepayment penalty. Look, and there's also a secured personal loan, but this is mainly for somebody that's rebuilding credit. And I'm gonna tell you something I just saw recently. Even if you got good credit, guys, don't do secured loans. If you already got an unsecured card over 5 or 10,000, there's no need for you to get a secured loan unless you just want to save money. All right, let's get back to this 100,000 unsecured personal loan. If this really shocked you guys, I need you to comment Patelco below because we're not done. Wait until I tell you about the personal line of credit. Patelco runs a personal line of credit as a revolving product. Think of it like a credit card without the plastic. You draw what you need, you pay it back, and then you can draw it again. And guess what? The limits go up to $50,000 for qualified members. We're talking about $50,000 in revolving credit on a line of credit you can open before you need it. Look, you get a lower APR than a credit card because it's underwritten differently. The credit union looks at this as a relationship product, not a transactional product. Now, when I'm telling you, you're going for this line of credit, you're going to make sure that you have your pay stubs and possibly your taxes. Most people don't realize the line of credit is one of the hardest products that you can actually get approved for. But here's the play. You set this up before you need it. You don't pay anything until you draw. So when life hits, you get a car breakdown, medical bill, you get a slow month on making money, you got $50,000 sitting there at credit union rates. Not 27% that Capital One charges, not 20-some% that maybe Chase or somebody else charges. We're talking about real rates, guys. If you're shocked by all of this, comment Patel code below if you didn't know this product even existed. Most people use credit cards for emergencies and pay double the interest. This is how the wealthy actually borrow money. Now, let's switch gears for a minute. Let's jump into the auto loans. Patelco runs new car loans, used car loans, and they even refinance loans. So think about this for a second. Their auto rates start at 5.29 APR for qualified borrowers. That's significantly below most dealer financing right now. I'm telling you, you'll save money with this credit union. If you're sitting at 9 or 10% on an auto loan, refinancing with Patelco could save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. And here's the move that nobody's talking about. Patelco offers no payments for 90 days on auto loans. So you drive the car off the lot, you don't make a payment for over 3 months. Look, we're talking about 90 days of breathing room while you adjust your budget, or 90 days to pay down other debt before the auto loan actually kicks in. Or maybe you can use those 90 days to build an emergency fund. Look, we're talking about a real cash flow advantage that most lenders don't even offer. So guys, if you're excited about this and you're thinking about financing a car with Patelco, look, comment Patelco below because you can get that loan under 8%. And I personally picked the best refinance stories that I want to talk about in my live that's coming up Tuesday. Now, the home equity products. This is where homeowners stack into real six-figure territory. Patelco runs both the home equity loan and the home equity line of credit. But up first, let's talk about the home equity loan. It's a lump sum, a fixed rate. You pay it back over a set term. Good for one-time projects. We're talking about a new roof, kitchen renovation, paying off high interest debts in one shot. Or maybe you're like, Marvin, I don't have any of that to do right now. I might want to get a HELOC. So what a HELOC is a line of credit. You got a variable rate. You draw, you pay back, you draw it again. Patelco's HELOC rate is highly competitive. Typically, it's based around prime rates. All right, so think about this for a second. A combined product cap. We're talking Patelco can extend HELOCs into six figures for homeowners who have a lot of equity. That's where the $100,000 or $200,000 combined credit stretches well past what you would normally think for a homeowner. Okay, let's talk about the application process. Patelco can close a HELOC in about 30 to 45 days. That's fast for a HELOC. Most banks could take anywhere from 30 to 60 days. So if you own a home and you haven't tapped into your equity at credit union rates, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Think about this for a second. If you're a homeowner, this may allow you to start the business that you've always dreamed of. Here's how a 680 FICO score walks into Patelco and walks out with more than $200,000 in combined personal credit. So let's look at the reward points Visa card. We're talking $15,000 to $30,000 with a strong 680 file with a low DTI. Okay, that's the first thing I would look at. All right, next, look at the signature personal loan. Goes up to $100,000 with a soft pull pre-qualification. That alone is a six-figure number, but we're going to stack more on top of that. Now let's look at the personal line of credit, up to $50,000 in revolving credit. That's your emergency fund and your business capital all in one product. Now let's switch gears and talk about the auto loan. The auto loan could go between $35,000 to $50,000. I would say is realistic for somebody with a 680 with income. All right, plus you get 90 days with no payments to get started. And let's just say you're a homeowner. The HELOC pushes the total well past $200,000. If you stack those products over the next 90 days to maybe 6 months at Patelco, look, by month 4, you're looking at a 680 that's got access to 6 figures of combined credit at credit union rates. That's the loophole. That's the play. I need you guys to save this video right now, because if you scroll past it, you're not going to find this breakdown anywhere else on YouTube. The stack order is what makes this work. And most people skip the stack order and just apply randomly. Look, you got to be strategic when you're doing this. The order matters. Don't apply to everything on the same day. You want to stack it in a strategic way. So think about this for a second. Step 1, you're going to join Patelco through the Financial Fitness Association. You're going to open a prime share savings account. You're going to move some direct deposit over there. Let them see that you're doing business with them before you apply for credit. I typically tell everyone wait about 30 days. All right, step number 2, you're going to apply for the personal loan first. You're going to use the soft pull pre-qual. You're going to see the offer before you commit. If the number is right, then accept it. If not, walk away with 0 credit damage. All right, step number 3, apply for the credit card next. By now, your file has a real Patelco relationship with the active loan already on the books. The underwriter is going to look at it totally differently, guys. Step number 4, open a personal line of credit. It's a soft pull. You got low risk there, and this is going to be your $50,000 emergency fund. All right, step number 5, if you own a home, you're going to do the HELOC last, because now you got 3 Patelco trade lines on your file, and Patelco sees you as a member and not as a stranger. If you guys are getting some value out of this, comment Patelco below, and I want you guys to really think about this as your next credit union. So real talk, a 680 with thin credit history and $40,000 that you make a year may not get you $100,000 in one day. So I want you to be realistic with this. The big numbers come over 90 to 120 days of building a relationship. And then you're going to make sure your DTI is not over 50%. You're going to pay down some debt first. If your income isn't stable, then let's wait a couple pay periods before applying. If you got recent collections, look, we already know, if you've been listening to my channel, clean all of that stuff up first. But remember, the stack works, but it works on a foundation. You got to build the foundation first, then you start stacking up. Now, for my 700 Club people who already got a 700, look, I want you to learn how to stack Patelco and 2 or 3 other lenders for a real 6-figure income over multiple institutions. So I want to invite you to a business strategy call. Now, I want you to remember, this is for people who have 700 scores and over. I take this call very seriously. And if you don't have a 700, I'm sorry. Just wait till you get your scores up, and then let's get you invited to this call. And you're going to realize on this call, we're going to take a look at your credit. We're going to actually take a look at your business. And then we're going to give you a stacking order that makes sense to get you over 6 figures. So remember, if you're 700 and up, book this call. Link is in the description. If you don't have a 700, build your credit first, watch the next video, and realize you can always come back when you're ready, because Gloria and myself, we're going to always be here. Now, one more thing. A lot of you watching are thinking, okay, Patelco gives me 100 grand, but what about 200 grand? Is there a credit union that anyone can join for less than $50 that has higher limits than this? And guess what? The answer is yes. The video is on the screen right now, and it answers that exact question. This credit union gives anyone $200,000 for a $35 membership, and they're better than Navy Federal. Look, we're talking about a combined credit profile over $200,000, a HELOC up to $450,000. Guys, click this thumbnail before you forget. Make sure you subscribe if you found value, and remember, let's get to the money. And we're here to help empower your finances.